The iProjection app lets you project Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel documents, and also Keynote documents in Adobe PDFs. If you are using an iPhone, tap the Documents button on the iProjection home screen. If you are using an iPad, tap the Files button on the iProjection home screen, and then tap Documents. In the list, you can tap which document you want to display. To get documents to appear in this list, sync your iPhone or iPad with iTunes, and then you can add the documents to the iProjection app. When you are displaying the document, you can use the navigation controls at the bottom to move through the pages of the document. And if you are using an iPad, you can tap and select different pages from the thumbnails shown on the left. You can then spread two fingers apart to zoom into the document and pinch two fingers together to zoom back out. You can adjust the page settings by tapping the gear icon towards the upper right corner. Here you'll find display settings for Word, PowerPoint, and Keynote documents. Once you've adjusted these settings, you can tap Done. There are some basic tools you can use to annotate on your displayed document. Tap the pen icon in the upper right corner. The icon turns red when it's selected. Across the top from left to right, we then see a pen tool, two highlight tools, and an erase tool. I'll tap the highlight tool and then drag my finger across the screen to draw on the document. I can tap the gear icon at the top and change the color, weight, and opacity of the tool, and then tap Done. Finally, we can tap the pen icon again in the upper right corner to disable the tool and clear the annotations.